Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm doing a speaker replacement on this iPhone 4. I'll talk about that later. Last week's video, I was doing something and I broke the speaker connector. Well, it wasn't the speaker connector, it was like some cellular antenna or something. But anyways, let's just get straight to it. And you're probably wondering what this phone is for. It's a donor iCloud locked iPhone 4. I'm gonna grab the speaker from this one. So anyways, first of all, can power this iPhone off. And there we go. Can just flip it over and start to unscrew the two pentalobe screws on the bottom. There you go. Now we can just push up on the back glass and remove it. There we go. Can put that aside. And now we can get a Phillips head screwdriver bit and start to unscrew the battery. Oh, this one is the one with the broken screws. Can just remove this bracket and pry out the battery with our spudger. This spudger's broken. But anyways, can take a look at that connector. The entire connector, you know, the part that connects to the phone is completely broken off, so have to fix that, of course. Can just disconnect the dot connector flex cable so that we can get access to this screw right here. Can just unscrew that. And this screw right here. And now you can just get the speaker out. Pry that out. I don't need this gasket anymore. That's junk. But anyways, now that this phone is done, we can move on to the other phone where we are going to extract the speaker. Anyways, can just take off the glass and start to unscrew that battery. There we go. Can disconnect it and take out the battery. There we go. I'm not sure if it's leaking or anything. Same with this one. They still work, so I'm not going to replace them. Remove this bracket and disconnect this connector and start to unscrew the dot connector flex cable. I'm not sure if you can hear my iMac fans. If you do, I'm so sorry about that. Replaced a hard drive in it, and now the hard drive fan thinks the hard drive is really hot, so those fans are going. So anyways, we can lift out the speaker. Get that out. And there's our good speaker. We put that aside and put this speaker in. Let me just unscrew this screw in the logic board so that I can get better. So I can seat the speaker in a little bit easier. If I do it like this. I just don't want to destroy the gasket. That's the thing. It's not supposed to go in like that, so. You know what? forget about the gasket. Just get the speaker in there. There we go. Now where's that screw? Alright. Where did that screw go? I'll just get it from here on the iCloud lock board. Oh, just gotta get that screw in there. Why is this so hard? It's just a screw, right? Okay, there we go. Can just connect the cellular antenna. There we go. Can now screw in the speaker screws. Why is this part of the speaker popping up? Might be something underneath it. So let's just unscrew the speaker real quick and get this out. It looked like there was something underneath it. Must have been nothing. But anyways, we can just get that speaker in there. Board is flexing. Just gotta get this piece of metal undone. So you can just screw this in. Screw that in. Screw this in. And you can connect it. There we go. Now we can connect the dot connector flex cable. There we go. Can screw in the bracket. Now it's time to put this bracket on and put the battery back in. So put that in. There we go. We can now put the back glass on. Looks nice and even. So should be able to screw in the 2 pentalobe screws on the bottom. Now that that's done, we can power up our iPhone. When we see the Apple logo, can put that aside. And now we can assemble this iPhone again. Pretty standard assembly. Screw it in. There we go. Now we can just connect the dot connector flex cable and screw the bracket on. So now we can just screw this bracket in along with the battery. something on the battery. No, that was just some hair from my cat. I don't know how that got there. And screw in the battery. And put the back glass on. This is a really good condition iPhone 4 besides the frame. I should replace that at some point. But anyways, you can screw in the 2 pendulum screws on the bottom. So there we go. Now we have an iPhone 4 with a good connector on the speaker. But anyways, that's about it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. And check out my Twitter at ufelix5. I don't know why the 5 is there. Don't even ask. But I'll see you guys next time. Bye.